For today's Craftmas video, we are taking one of these dollar store candles and making a cute little decor piece to match with my pink Christmas decor. Now you can do this any theme, it doesn't have to be Christmas. I've done these for Valentine's Day, different gifts for friends, but let's get started. As I mentioned, I picked these up from my local dollar store. Sometimes you're lucky and you find them completely blank. Other times you do have to peel off the design on them. It does come off with some warm water and dish soap. For this project, I'm using permanent adhesive vinyl and I'm going ahead and weeding it out while the pink one is cutting. Now the silver vinyl I'm using, I don't know which brand, it's just a random brand off of Amazon that I had in my scraps, but the pink one in the back is TeckWrap, so I will leave that down below because that is my favorite vinyl. This one weeds like butter. It is the matte TeckWrap vinyl in the 001 series. A lot of you have been asking about the ones that I'm using, so I thought I would address it because I really love it and just bought some new ones of it, so I'm really excited to try those ones out as well. Now I'm grabbing my transfer tape, which is actually a little bit of a Cricut hack. I use this clear laminate duck shelf liner. So it's Duck brand from Amazon. It's way cheaper and it works even better to use as transfer tape. So once I weed out this pink portion that I have here, just look how easy it weeds out, like beautifully, even with these tiny little letters and little snowflakes that I'm weeding. Just peels right up and then I'm ready to do the transfer. I love using this specific transfer tape. Well, it's not even really transfer tape, contact paper, but I really like it and I reuse it for multiple projects. So that's a little tip for you with transfer tape. You can reuse it. I didn't know this for a while. I would throw it out and waste money. And it took me a while to learn that I could actually reuse it, which is kind of cool. So I'm going ahead and I'm doing it piece by piece. Now you could have absolutely made it into a full wrap and wrapped it around the candle, but one, I feel like depending on the design, that can waste a lot of vinyl, especially if it's a design that's not full and it's kind of like collaged on there. So I decided to do it in parts to save the most amount of vinyl and space. Also, I just prefer to do it this way rather than it bending and folding and getting air bubbles. So this is my personal preference, but you can absolutely do it in a wrap as well. This cut file I got off of Creative Fabrica, as I do for pretty much any cut file, SVG, and font that I use, because I am able to sell the items that I make with the cut files and fonts from Creative Fabrica. Definitely a bonus. They also have really good promo right now where you can get 10 free downloads of your choice. It's their free trial, and then after that it renews for less than $10 a month, which is a really good deal. Those of you that have Creative Fabrica already might be thinking, what, did you just say $10? Yes, I said $10, so definitely look into it. But you get 10 free downloads, which is super cool because why not get free cut files, SVG files, and fonts? I'm going ahead and just placing the snowflakes where I think they will look best. This one was really fun, just kind of placing them all around. Now I went with the pink and silver kind of look. I'm really trying to make my Christmas decor and my home decor be pink this year. It's just something little that's been making me feel really good with everything that's been going on. So I was excited to make my own little candle. I did see pretty much this exact thing at Winners and also HomeSense or Marshalls, I believe. And I thought, hey, I can make this for a whole lot cheaper. So I went to the dollar store, grabbed a white candle, peeled it off, and here we have it. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. And again, another little craft project for under $5. What a beautiful gift to give, and I cannot wait to go into tomorrow's Craftmas video. Don't forget, we're posting crafty videos every single day in the month of December, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting!